Hey everyone! Welcome back to our family's crazy DIY challenge series. So, my nephew is over for the summer, and he was playing with his Rubik's Cube when my dad walked by. Out of nowhere, he challenges him. Hey Grandpa, I bet you can't build an aquarium that looks like this. And of course, my dad accepted the challenge. So let's find out together if Dad can actually turn this wild idea into reality. Step 1. Clear the battlefield. Then, Dad lays down bricks to form the tank's foundation. Spread sand, seal the joints with cement. Next, he splits the bricks in half to start building the walls. More cement everywhere, inside, outside, fully armored. Now comes the fun part, shaping the tank to look like a giant Rubik's Cube. Smooth finishing on the bottom, slick as a dance floor. Then, he chops ceramic tiles into tiny pieces, MacGyver style, to DIY a custom filter system. The filter gets cemented and styled like a Rubik's Cube too. Next, glass goes on the front. Time to make it an aquarium. Filter base goes in, and it's paint party time. Painting is easy. Stick to classic Rubik's colors if you're a purist, or go full freestyle if you're wild. Dad went with sleek gray borders and super bright Rubik's colors. Instant one-of-a-kind vibes. Once the filter dried, he sanded it smooth and painted it to match the Rubik's theme. Then, he adds a mini waterfall on top. Pump goes in, filled it up, soaked it for 5 days. After 5 days, drained it out completely. Added ceramic filter media and gravel for the base. Sprinkled in decorations and little landscapes around the tank. Finally, release the fish. And here is the final result. So, what do you guys think? Does it look like a Rubik's Cube? Did Dad crush the nephew's challenge or what? Drop your verdict in the comments. Thanks a ton for sticking with me through this quirky little build. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss any of my weird, wonderful, and totally unique DIY ideas. See you in the next one!